We love Virtuous. Across the board, our team is finding that it is a much easier system to use than anything they've had in the past. It's giving them the insights that they need, the data that they need, easy access to their particular donors and the activities that they're having. And I think we're just scratching the surface of what it can do. I'm Rob Bullock. I'm the Executive Vice President for Advancement at Bible League International. Our old system was great at capturing data and terrible at giving us anything back from that data. We really liked the idea of, instead of building something, just buying into something that was created to make that vision come true. Virtuous is making our interactions with donors so much easier. We found an extra hour in our schedule and weren't sure where we could fill it, so we opened up Virtuous and we looked at the mapping tool and saw, hey, there's another monthly donor who is in the neighborhood literally across the street from us. Let's go see if they're home and say thank you. And we did. We knocked on the door. Donor was home. I came out. We said who we were and who we were with. Just the face lit up. And that was all because of Virtuous. It made it so easy for us to find that type of information and act on it immediately. Virtuous is really helping our teams to interact more because they see how the data that's in the system impacts all of them. That comes in the reports that we build, the dashboards that we put together, all the different ways that we answer the questions they have with data. The features that I personally find most beneficial as the leader of advancement who's looking at all of the fundraising pieces, the dashboard right at the front, and being able to configure that to see what are the key things that we're looking at right now today. How many donors do we have? How is giving doing? How are the different channels performing? I love being able to see that right off the bat as soon as I open Virtuous. For my team, I will say they rave about the who do I call today feature. That is far and away, for our mid-level and major gifts teams, their favorite feature. That's improving the number of interactions that we're having with donors when we're out doing visits. It also has increased kind of cooperation between our mid and major teams, momentum, and all the ways that AI is going to be helpful, helping us reach more people with really personalized content, making our work go quicker so that we can interact with more people. We are really excited about some of the new things happening in Raise, and being able to fully implement that. All the things that Virtuous continues to build, we look forward to using.